My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, respected elders and children, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وخاتم النبيين ورحمة الله للعالمين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Today I have a very important message for you, for all Muslims, especially students and Muslims of all walks of life. I have a message that how can you understand meanings of Holy Quran, Noble Quran, the book of Almighty Allah, in just 10 minutes daily routine. You just have to fix and allocate 10 minutes daily, and inshallah the method and easy way I am going to tell you, you will understand meanings of Holy Quran whole from Alhamd to An-Nas. How it will happen, before I tell you, first of all you should understand that why understanding meanings of Holy Quran is so important, especially for every Muslim and Muslimah and for all mankind. Why understanding meaning of Holy Quran is so important? Because Quran is a book of guidance. Quran is a book of life. If you will not understand Holy Quran, the meanings of Holy Quran, you will not understand yourself, your Creator, Almighty Allah. You will not understand this world. Without understanding meanings of Holy Quran, you will not know and you will not understand the purpose and meaning of your life. If you will not fix time, you just have to fix 10 minutes. It's not difficult and it's not expensive. It's totally free, inshallah al-Aziz. Almost totally free. Although you need a pen, it will cost few, not $1. It costs in Pakistan 10 to 20 rupees. How you will understand in 10 minutes the meanings of whole Quran? You need 3 things. First of all, you need 2 translations, 2 English translations of Holy Quran. And I will recommend you, inshallah al-Aziz, those easy English translations. In the end of this video, I will show you with the help of Almighty Allah, inshallah al-Aziz, that what are the easiest translations of Holy Quran in English language. I myself write Holy Quran, the meanings in Urdu language. But today I am going to recommend you that you should write Holy Quran with English translation. You need two translations. One translation, word by word. A word of Quran and its translation. And the second translation, the translation of whole verse, continuous. Inshallah, I will show you in the end. So you need first thing, two translations of Holy Quran, and how you will find free these two translations on Android, on your mobile and tablet, I will tell you inshallah al-Aziz. These translations will be free, available. And the second thing you need is your pen. Do not look down this pen. This is a great thing to understand Deen and Holy Quran. As you will read the first revelation in Holy Quran, you will find that the pen is mentioned in first revelation of Holy Quran. اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم. Knowledge with pen. Almighty Allah gave you knowledge with the help of pen. So it is mentioned in Quran. As you will read, Noon wal qalami wa ma yasturun. You will find that pen is very important before Almighty Allah, in the eyes of Almighty Allah. And this is a great thing to gain knowledge. So you need three things. First thing is two translations. One translation, word by word. And the second, Quran translation, continuous. And the second thing you need a pen. And the third thing you need papers. A set of papers. What you have to do, you will fix and allocate just 10 minutes time, 10 minutes daily, and the translations, easy English translations I am going to show you inshallah. You will put those translations before you in your mobile or tablet. You will download those translations in your mobile and tablet, and you will put your mobile and tablet before you. Just make sure to off your Wi-Fi and other connections so that you can concentrate on the meanings of Holy Quran. There should not be any interruption. It will help you. You just have to fix 10 minutes daily routine. Put a tablet or mobile or Holy Quran before you with two translations. And just write Quran words and their two meanings with the help of your pen on your paper. And you will notice in 40 days you will note that Quran is not being written not only on a paper, but it is being written on and in my heart, in my mind. And you will very soon, in just 2 or 3 months, you will find that Quran is written in your life as well. As you will start in the beginning, your speed of writing will be slow. You might be able to write half a page of Holy Quran and its translation. It's okay in 10 minutes daily. But as the time passes, 40 days and 2 months, your speed of writing will improve. Your fluency will improve with the passage of time. As you notice that I am not a fluent English speaker, and I hope that you will not look into my grammatical mistakes. You will try to understand my message, because I do not get any chance to speak English or practice my English language. I have lost most of fluency of my English, but still, Alhamdulillah, with your prayers and with the help of Almighty Allah, still I am able to put my heart before you, my thoughts before you, and give you a very important message, a message of life. Because Quran is a book of guidance. Quran is a book of mercy and rahmat. Quran enlightens our life in this world and hereafter as well. This Quran which you are writing 10 minutes daily routine, this will become a great source of knowledge, great source of guidance for you and for other people as well. Because wherever you will go, when you are writing 10 minutes, wherever you go, your office, your classroom, your house, to your relatives, or anywhere, Quran's verses and their meanings also will go along with you. Because you cannot change Quran. Keep it in mind. You cannot change any word of Quran, but Quran will change you. Quran, the meanings of Quran and words of Quran will not only change you, your life, your dunya, this world, but Quran has a power to change your hereafter, your akhirah as well, with the help of Almighty Allah. So you just need 10 minutes daily routine, put 2 translations before you, and with the help of pen, write words of Quran, and then write their meanings word by word, and then meaning of full verse of Holy Quran. You need 3 lines on the paper. In first line, you will write words of Holy Quran in Arabic. But if you cannot write Arabic, don't take it. Do not stop writing in English. If you cannot write Arabic language, then just write English meanings only. But most of Muslims, living in Africa, in Asia, in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, UK and USA, and other parts of the world. I request all Muslims, wherever they are living in Brazil or Argentina, in Pakistan or India, wherever you are, just allocate 10 minutes, I request you, for Quran, to understand the meaning of Holy Quran. Write on paper with the help of your pen 2 translations. And I am going to tell you, Inshallah al-Aziz, that you will write on paper with your pen, and Allah will write Quran on your life, on your aqidah, on your faith, your iman, your belief. Another thing which I want to tell you, that this Quran which you are writing with 2 translations, this Quran will be a guidance in this world, a rahmat in this world, source of enlightenment in this world. And when you will go, and I go, inshallah, everybody have to go there, on the day of judgment, we will be standing before Almighty Allah. This Quran, written with your own hands with translations, this Quran will be in your hands, and you will be standing before Almighty Allah, and you will be able to recite your Quran before Almighty Allah. This will be a source of maghfirah. So, we are going to conclusion. In the end, I want to show you those 2 easy translations which will help you, and they are available on Android phones and Apple as well. You can free download those translations of Holy Quran free of cost. Inshallah, I am going to show you in the end. I hope you will get my message. You will connect yourself with Quran, and you will give just 10 minutes daily time, and you will write 2 meanings, 2 translations of Holy Quran. It will give you knowledge. It will give you peace of mind. It will give you guidance. It will give you rahmat, mercy of Almighty Allah. It will give you iman. It will give you enlightenment, light, inside and outside. And it will also improve your ability in English language. I strongly recommend to all students studying in high schools, colleges and universities, my sisters, doctors and engineers, lawyers, judges, people of all walks of life around the globe, wherever you are living. I request you, just write 10 minutes daily Holy Quran. It will give you not only knowledge, it will improve your English language as well. This is called fi dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana. As you read in Holy Quran, fi dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana. This writing of meanings of Holy Quran is rahmah in this world and is rahmah in hereafter as well. Inshallah, I am going to show you those easy meanings which are so easy that a schoolboy, even a schoolboy, can understand those English meanings of Holy Quran.